Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nur Alifadamia binti Muhammad Asri. Today I will be presenting my individual project for TPT251. The topic that I have chosen is road transportation in Malaysia, which is the most dominant mode of transport, supporting mobility, logistics and economic growth. This presentation covers the characteristics, advantages and disadvantages, policies, issues, stakeholder and a real case study involving highway closure during the Asian Summit 2025. Now, let's move on to the introduction.
Let's begin to introductions. For introduction, road transport is the primary modes of transport that provide direct, flexible, and accessible movement of people and goods. In Malaysia, it is dominant mode due to the intensive networks of highways, federal roads, bridges, and tunnels that connect urban and rural areas. It supports daily travel, business operation, logistics, and tourism. Overall, road transport underpins economic growth and social connectivity, functioning primarily through the movement of passengers and the transport of goods.
Let's move on to characteristics. Firstly, share used by multiple vehicle type. Roads are used by various vehicles such as car, bus, taxis, truck, and lorries, allowing different transport functions to operate on the same network. Moreover, universality and accessibility of roads. Roads can reach almost all areas from major cities to rural regions. Furthermore, cost-effective. Road transport is relatively affordable, especially for short distance and small loads. Finally, quick transit times. Road transport offers faster travel for short distance, enabling timely deliveries and efficiency movement. Let's continue for the advantages. Among the advantages, road transport is the most profitable. This is because road transport is the cheapest means of transport available. The main reason is that a truck is not as expensive as a ship or a place, and it does not require a large specific infrastructure such as ports. Moreover, road transport provides door-to-door service, ensure full delivery coverage without the need of transshipment. Furthermore, flexibility in routing and scheduling. Vehicle can adapt routes according to traffic. Finally, supports just-in-time JIT operations. Factories such as Proton and Produa depend on road delivery for components under JIT manufacturing systems. However, road transportation also has several disadvantages. Firstly, accident risk. Human error, poor vehicle maintenance, and speeding cause frequent road accidents. Secondly, traffic congestions. Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru, and Penang frequently face peak hour gridlock. Thirdly, can give environmental impact. Finally, limited efficient for bulk freight. This is because not suitable for long-haul or high-volume goods compared to rail or sea due to low energy efficiency. Malaysia has intensive road infrastructure including major hubs, Kuala Lumpur, KL Central and TBS. KL Central is the biggest transit hub integrating urban rails and bus, while Terminal Bersepadu Selatan TBS is a major intercity bus terminal, crucial for north-south travel. Furthermore, Malacca Central, a major terminal for interstate and interstate bus connecting to KL, JB and Ipoh. For routes, North-South Expressway 772 km, E1 and E2 is the backbone of the Peninsula Road Network, facilitating long-distance travel, logistics and freight movement. Moreover, East Coast Expressway (LPT) E8 link Pahang, Terengganu and Kelantan, vital for the East Coast region, supporting tourism, trade and regional connectivity. Finally, network-associated urban Penang Island Road Loop, combination of coastal route, Penang Bridge and inland roads linking industrial parks to port. Klang Valley Road Network, highly developed grid of expressways, ring roads and roads supporting millions of daily commuters. Let's continue for the policies. Malaysia Institute of Road Safety Research at 2012 at 748 to assist the government in formulating road safety policy and program based on scientific research as well as the advanced road safety research in Malaysia. Moreover, road transport at 1987 at 333 governed vehicle registrations, driver license, traffic regulation, enforcement, and mandatory third-party insurance. These acts form the core legal framework regulating how road transport operates nationwide. Finally, Malaysia Road Safety Plan 2022 until 2030. The plan has set a target to achieve 50% reduction in the number of fatalities due to the road traffic crash by the end of 2013, by taking into the consideration the total number of deaths that was recorded in 2019 as the basis. However, for issue and challenge. Firstly, road safety and high accident rate are the leading cause of death due to accidents. This is due to aggressive driving and poor road conditions. Moreover, public transport deficiencies, poor integration, funding issue, limited connectivity, especially last mile. Moreover, infrastructure and connectivity, poor road condition, especially in rural areas. Finally, environmental impact. Transportation contribute to air pollution and carbon emissions. Let's continue for the stakeholder. The key stakeholders include government bodies such as JKR and PDRM. Moreover, transport operators include rapid bus, logistic companies like GNT Cargo, and e-hailing service like Grab. Finally, passenger or consumer, daily commuters, employees, residents, and students who use private vehicle, bus, or taxis. Travelers, they rely on road transportation to move around cities and areas, also play important roles in shaping road transport system. For the case study, I analyzed staggered highway closure by the Plus Malaysia Berhad during the Asian Summit 2025. Roads such as Elite, NKVE, and the North-South Expressway were temporarily closed to secure VIP convoy. For the stakeholder and the role. Firstly, stakeholder Plus Malaysia Berhad. For the role, manage highways, plan, closure, and coordinate with the policies governments. Moreover, Royal Malaysia Policy, PDRM. Control traffic, ensure convoy safety, coordinated with Plus for stage closure. Lastly, road user private vehicle, public transport logistic. Adjusted travel plans, follow alternative routes, experience delay or congestions. Let's continue to interaction impact the efficiency and effectiveness. Firstly, positive impact, summit operation, safe and smooth VIP movement. Moreover, effective coordination between highway operator, police and governments. For negative impact, general users, delay deliveries and higher costs. Lastly, congested alternative routes. For issue and challenge within the area, firstly, communication and awareness. Not all road users may know about the closure in advance. Moreover, traffic congestions. Alternative road experience heavy traffic. Lastly, logistic disruptions. Deliveries and supply chains are delayed. And here is the map illustrate the status closures of Plus highways during the Asian Summit 2025. For the last one is recommendations. Firstly, enhance traffic communication system. The improving by providing better real-time alerts through navigation applications such as Waze, Google Maps, and MyJPG. Secondly, expand intelligent transport system (ITS), the use of technology to manage traffic more efficiently. Thirdly, improve road safety enforcement. Malaysia should address its high accident rate by implementing measures such as installing more speed camera on highway. Lastly, improve stakeholder coordination. It is advised that stakeholders like the Public Works Department, JPJ, Traffic Police, local council, and transportation companies work together more effectively. These partnerships guarantee that public awareness, maintenance, and enforcement initiatives are successful coordinated.
That's all from me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.